Hello there, welcome back to Ethiopia Microsoft Academy. Today I'm gonna show you how to design and animate this beautiful PowerPoint infographics. To design and animate this PowerPoint infographics, first open new slide. I will use these colors for this project. Select all these text boxes and delete them by using the delete key on your keyboard. Right click and select Format Background to change the background color of the slide. From the color filler option, select Eyedropper and click on the color you want to apply. For this project, I want to apply this white background color. Click on Insert tab, select the shape option and insert the triangle shape. Draw the triangle by holding the Shift key. While the triangle is selected, click on Shape Outline and select No Outline. Click on Shape Format and select Rotate Right 90 degrees. Resize the height to 1.8 and width to 2 inch. Duplicate the triangle by using Ctrl+D shortcut. Flip the next triangle horizontally. Select both triangles and align them to the bottom. Duplicate once again. Select both triangles, right-click on them and group them together. Click on Insert tab and insert Circle shape. Draw the circle by holding the Shift key and remove its outline. Increase its transparency to align the circle with the triangle easily, and change the shape fill. Select both the circle and the triangle. Go to Shape Format and click on Align. Then select Align Center. Now select both shapes. Click on Shape Format tab and click on Merge Shapes. Select the Fragment option. Then select all these fragments and go to Merge Shapes and select Union. Select the circle and go to Shape Format and flip it vertically. Change the shape fill and align them perfectly to make rounded corner triangle. Now select both shapes and go to the Shape Format tab. From the Merge Shapes option, select Union. Change the transparency to 0. Change the shape fill and remove shape outline. Duplicate the new triangle. Select the triangle and go to Shape Format tab. Resize its height to 2 and length to 3.6 inch. Place this new triangle over the previous two triangles. Select all these three triangles and go to Shape Format tab. And click on Align and select Align to Bottom and Align to Center. Right click on the small triangle and ungroup them. Select all the three triangles and regroup them. Click on Insert tab and insert rectangle shape. Go to Shape Format and resize its height to 2 and its width to 3.6 inch. Remove the shape outline. Select these two shapes. Go to Shape Format and align them to the center. Click on Merge Shapes option and select Union. Change the shape fill to easily differentiate them. Right-click on the new shape and send it to back. Select all the shapes and go to Shape Format tab and align them to the bottom and to the center. Select this pentagon shape and go to Shape Format option. And from the Solid Fill option, select Eyedropper. Click on this green color. Select the other shape and apply the same color. Double click on this small triangle and go to Shape Format option. And select the eyedropper and apply the same color. Then go to Shape Fill and select more fill colors. Select Custom Option and drag the slider upward to make the color more lighter. Click on OK. Double-click on the other small triangle and select the solid fill. Use the eyedropper tool and apply this lighter color. Select the shape and from the Format Shape option, select Effects. From the Shadow option, select the Offset Top option. Change the shadow transparency to 70%, size 98 and blur to 3%. Go to Insert tab and insert rounded corner rectangle. Change its width to 3.4 inch. Click on Shape Outline and select No Outline. Right-click on the shape and bring it to the front. Change the rectangle fill color by using the eyedropper tool. Select the rectangle shape. Go to Shape Effect option and apply Drop Shadow. From the Home tab, click on Select and open the selection pane. Go to Animation tab and open the Animation pane. These panes can make our animation simpler. You can select any shape and go to Selection pane and you can rename it as you want. Select the rectangle and hide it by clicking on this icon from the Selection pane. Now select all the shapes and go to Animation tab and select the drop-down icon. Select More Entrance Effects. From here select Rise Effect and click on OK. From the Animation pane, change the first shape animation effect to Start on Click and for the next shape with the previous. As you see, we added this animation effect to this post shape. Go to Selection pane and make the rectangle visible. Select the rectangle and go to Animation tab. Select the More Entrance Animation Effects. From here, select Stretch Effect and click on OK. Go to Effect Options and make the Stretch option from bottom. From here, increase the delay to 0.25 and duration to 0.75. Click on Animation pane and make the animation effect start after previous. It is cool. Click on Insert tab and insert icons. From Home tab, click on the Shape Effect drop-down icon. From the Fill option, change its color to white. From the Shape Effect option, add Offset Top Shadow. Change the shadow transparency to 70%, size to 98% and blur to 3%. Go to Insert tab and insert text box. Add the texts and format the color and size as you want. Select both text boxes by holding the Ctrl key. Go to Shape Format tab and align them to the center. Let's add shadow effect to the texts. To do so, select the text and go to Text Options. Select the text effect and expand the shadow option. From the shadow presets are the offset bottom option. Adjust the transparency like the previous effects. Select the next texts and apply the same shadow. Select this icon and go to Animation tab and apply Zoom effect. From the timing option, increase the delay to 0.25 second and duration to 0.75 second. Go to animation pan and change the effect to start after the previous. Select the animation icon and click on Animation Painter and click on first text box to apply the same animation effect to the text boxes. Do the same for the next text box. It's cool. Now simply select all the shapes and duplicate by using the Ctrl plus D shortcut. Add another duplicate and align them by dragging in by using the Smart Guide. Let's change their fill color. Select this rectangle and go to Format Shape option. Select the eyedropper tool and pick any color you want. And do the same for the other shapes. Go to Selection pane and hide the rectangle to edit the back part of the post. And let's make the rectangle visible again. Double click on one of the small triangles from the group and apply the same color. While the small triangle is selected, go to Shape Fill from the Home tab and select more fill colors. Click on Custom and change the color lighter by using the slider. Select the other small triangle and apply the same lighter color. Do the same for the next pink shape. Now we can change this icon. To do so, simply right-click on it and select Change Graphics and select icon or anything else. Let's insert this icon. And select the next icon and do the same. Let's select the third rectangle and go to the Selection pane and hide it. Change the color of the backside of the third post to pink. Let's see our final design in the animation. Thank you so much for watching me. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe. I highly appreciate your comment. Also, don't forget to check the description below this video to get important tips and tricks. Have a nice day.